Princess Diana, the beloved people's princess, died in a tragic car crash in Paris on August 31, 1997, along with her partner Dodi Fayed and their driver Henry Paul. The accident shocked the world and sparked an outpouring of grief, as well as a wave of conspiracy theories and controversies that still persist today. One of the most contentious issues surrounding Diana's death is the role of the paparazzi, who were chasing the Mercedes-Benz that carried the princess and her companions. Some media outlets blamed the photographers for causing the crash by driving recklessly and harassing the car. A French investigation in 1999 concluded that Paul was solely responsible for the accident, as he was drunk and under the influence of prescription drugs, and lost control of the vehicle at high speed in the Pont de l'Arme tunnel. However, a British inquest in 2008 found that Paul and the paparazzi were both guilty of unlawful killing through gross negligence. The jury also ruled that Diana and Dodi were not wearing seatbelts, which could have saved their lives. Another source of controversy is the interview that Diana gave to BBC journalist Martin Basher in November 1995, 2 years before her death. In the explosive segment, Diana revealed intimate details about her marriage to Prince Charles, their affairs, and her struggles with bulimia and depression. The interview had a huge impact on Diana's life, as it prompted the Queen to urge her and Charles to divorce, stripped her of her royal title and security, and alienated her from some members of the royal family. It also raised questions about how Basher obtained Diana's trust and consent for the interview. In 2020, it was revealed that Basher had used forged bank statements to convince Diana's brother, Earl Spencer, to introduce him to Diana. The BBC apologized for this deception and launched an independent inquiry into Basher's conduct. The third area of dispute is the medical treatment that Diana received after the crash. Some critics have argued that Diana could have survived if she had been taken to a hospital sooner, or if she had received different procedures. Diana was alive when she was extracted from the car, but she suffered severe internal bleeding from a torn pulmonary vein. She was taken to the Pitti-Salpêtrière hospital, where doctors performed surgery to stop the bleeding, but she died shortly after. Some experts have suggested that Diana should have been given a thoracotomy, a procedure that opens up the chest cavity instead of a pericardial window, which only makes a small incision. Others have defended the French medical team, saying that they did everything they could to save Diana's life. The death of Princess Diana remains a tragic and controversial event that has left a lasting mark on history and culture. Her legacy lives on through her charitable work, her sons Prince William and Prince Harry, and her millions of admirers around the world.